And I just checked and it's nothing. It's just a pencil. It's just a pencil. And next is the Japan 788. It's just a pencil. It's the pencil. Next is the 788, and like there's absolutely like nothing coming in on this side. So like after the 788, if nothing else is coming, I'm just gonna. Whoa! Oh! 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 Freaking wind tornado! Holy crap! Freaking wind tornado! Yeah, so like 788 all the way down there. So yeah, if I see another plane, yeah, that's the 788 because there's absolutely nothing coming out of the side for some reason. Double E175L. And that was a lot of freaking wake turbulence from. What was it? But no, it's not. It's just regular JetBlue Mint. I thought it was blueberries. Here's something I forgot to say. El Al came in at like 5, so hopefully it takes off soon because I haven't seen. Up there's the 788 turning on final. El Al came in at like 5 a.m. So like hopefully it takes off soon, but I haven't seen them in a long time. Like it did like fly over the house when they were doing reverse laps, but I like missed it because I didn't know what it was, and my phone storage just was messing up. So yeah, I didn't get it. And here comes the 788. Why is that A321 making engine howls? Or maybe it's the Max because those engines because like all the upgrade. Oh, he's ascending fast. Oh my god, he's descending fast. Oh, like usually the like whenever planes get he descended a lot. Oh, and he's coming back up. He's coming back up. It's like, oh crap, I descended too much. And now he's back up. Like usually upgraded versions of old planes usually have like engine howls. Since they have like different engines that are like quieter. Oh my god, he just might go around. He's he's dropping and climbing altitude. And, like, oh, really oh my god. That was one of the craziest landings I've ever. Oh, he just might go around. Oh my god, he just might go around. It looks like he might go around. Oh my god. Oh my god, hopefully he does. Hopefully he does. He just might go around. He just might. Hopefully, please go around. Please go around. It's super windy out here. Oh, no. Oh, bouncy. Oh, crossy wind landing. He did kind of a crosswind crap. That was one of the weirdest land. I hope someone was recording that. I hope someone on that plane was filming because like that was like one of the weirdest landings ever. Like he kept like it's like me every time I'm landing in Infinite Flight. Like he was like coming way too low, and then I start climbing and descending like a bunch. I'm guessing that was the full power takeoff because that was way louder. Like I keep descending and rising and descending, rising and descending a bunch because I keep coming in too low, and then I do a crappy landing. And for some reason, whenever I land, like I always like start losing control of the plane, and I always come in at like a really low speed. Then I start and I end up hard landing. I hope if the 757 gets an upgraded version, they need to have an even more elongated version. The 754, the even more elongated version, so you can call it the pencil, the number 2 pencil. I don't know why there's number 2 and number 1 pencils. That doesn't make any sense. Why they would have number 1 and number 2 pencils. And I'm not talking about the 757. I'm talking about like actual pencils. Oh, Japan is crossing. I thought he was just holding. I thought they were just holding him because they were holding him. Most likely a CRJ. I guarantee that's a CRJ. I seriously wish that CRJs weren't as common as they were. So then, actually, instead of having the CRJs be less common than they are, oh, that's not a CRJ. It's like a Legacy or something. Wait, no, not a Legacy. A Global Express. Gulfstream. That's the word I was looking for. Gulfstream. I always forget the name of this plane. Yep, it's Gulfstream. These planes can literally fly like from here to Brussels. And I think Brussels is in like Germany or something, or somewhere near that, but it's in Europe. Like it can fly from here to Europe. Like I've seen it. Is that a retro? Oh my god, that's a retro! That's a retrojet! It's a US Airways retrojet! US Airways retrojet! Oh my god! That's like the 3rd time I've seen one! It's a retrojet! Oh my god! I don't know why no one ever puts special liveries on the CRJs. I've always wondered that, like why can't the CRJs get the special liveries? Like that'll make the CRJ special. Just put really cool special liveries on them. Oh, the reflection from the cockpit window from the Delta just blinded me just now. That like just blinded me, and I just realized that that Southwest went out of frame. Somehow I just realized that Southwest Airlines was out of frame. I was holding the camera up. It's an A321 again. I can tell by how long it looks. Okay, that's weird how I can tell that's an A321. It's like I can literally tell that's an A321. I guess because it looks so long. Oh my god, it's pretty windy out here. Hopefully we get crosswind. It looks like there's a heavy right behind them. I knew it. It was an A321. I knew it. Hopefully the wind starts crossing. And after Southwest takes off, I'm gonna see what plane is next. And the traffic is starting to kind of pick up. I am, and I hopefully we'll see Qatar 739 because I usually just get Qatar 740, which is the flight that goes back to Doha. And I never get oh, this looks like a 757 because I can see like all the exhaust like coming out of it. Why is he holding for so long? There's no one on, I don't think there's anyone on the runway. Yeah, it's a 75. I can tell. I can tell it's a 75. I see. Yep, I was right. And I don't see winglets. I can't really tell, but I don't see. Oh no, that's winglet. I can see winglets now. I'm gonna take a good guess and say that's a United 757. There he goes. Now he's taking off. Oh, I was right. Oh my god, I was right. I was freaking right. I called that. I knew it. Man, I missed the American Airlines 757s. They used to be pretty rare. Another pencil! What is with all... 757s always make wake turbulence tornadoes. I think that's wake turbulence. I don't really know, but I think that is. I would just call them wind tornadoes. Now, yeah, I'm gonna just call them wind tornadoes, and I'm gonna look it up and see if that's wake turbulence. Yeah. For the rest of the day, I'm gonna call it wind tornadoes.